Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Simple English Learning. Today, we're going to talk about something that can completely transform your English: verbs. Now, you might be thinking, I already know verbs. I studied them at school. I know run, eat, sleep, and many more. And that's true. You know verbs, but here's the secret. There's a huge difference between knowing verbs from a textbook and using the real verbs that native speakers use every single day. Too often, learners use words that are technically correct, but don't sound natural in daily conversations. For example, saying, I wish to purchase some bread, instead of, I want to buy some bread. Or, I consumed my lunch, instead of, I ate lunch. Both are correct, but one sounds stiff, formal, and unnatural. The other sounds natural, friendly, and fluent. In this episode, Real English Verbs, the secret to sounding natural, I'll show you why verbs are the backbone of English communication, the difference between textbook verbs and real spoken verbs, a list of everyday verbs that make your English sound natural, and how to practice verbs in real-life contexts. By the end of this lesson, you'll have the tools to upgrade your English and start speaking more like a native speaker. Why verbs are the backbone of English communication? Let's start with a simple truth. Verbs are action. They carry the energy of your sentences. Without verbs, your ideas have no life. Example: I coffee yesterday. Missing verb, incomplete. I drank coffee yesterday. Complete, clear, alive. Verbs carry not just action, but also time, past, present, future, and attitude, formal, casual, emotional. Choosing the right verb is the difference between sounding like a textbook and sounding like a real person. Textbook verbs versus real spoken verbs. Here's the challenge. Textbooks often teach verbs that are grammatically correct, but rarely used in natural conversations. Examples: commence versus start, assist versus help, purchase versus buy, and consume versus eat. Yes, commence, assist, purchase, and consume are correct, but they sound too formal for daily life. Unless you're writing an academic paper, you'll want to use start, help, buy, eat. The lesson here is, if you want to sound natural, you need to know which verbs native speakers really use in their everyday conversations. 12 real English verbs you must master. Let's go through 12 of the most powerful, common verbs that native speakers use all the time. 1. Get. One of the most flexible verbs in English. Examples: I need to get a new phone, which means buy. She got sick yesterday, which means became. Did you get my email? Which means receive. 2. Take, used in countless expressions. Examples: take a break. I'll take the bus. Can you take this to Sarah? 3. Make, not just create. It appears in many collocations. Examples:
Make a mistake. Make a decision. Make money. Number 4. Do. Another flexible workhorse. Examples: do homework. Do the dishes. Do your best. Number 5. Go. Simple but essential. Examples: I go to the gym every morning. Let's go shopping. He went home early. Number 6. Come. Often used for movement toward the speaker. Examples: come here. Are you coming to the party? Spring has come. Number 7. Put. A simple but widely used verb. Examples:
put your phone away. She put on her jacket. Don't put it off until tomorrow. Number 8. Give. Literal and figurative. Examples: give me a hand. She gave me advice. Don't give up. Number 9. Keep. To continue or maintain. Examples: keep studying. Keep the change. I try to keep calm. Number 10. Let. Permission and encouragement. Examples: let me help you. My parents let me go out late. Let's go. Number 11. Run. Not just physical running. Examples: she runs a small shop. The computer is running slowly. Time is running out. Number 12. Turn. Used in many natural expressions. Examples: turn off the lights. Turn around. Things turned out fine. Practicing verbs in context. Now, here's the key. Don't just memorize these verbs, practice them in real-life contexts. Example practice routine. 1. Choose 3 verbs. Let's take get, take, make. 2. Write 2 or 3 sentences for each. I got a new book yesterday. I'll take the train to work. She made a delicious cake. 3. Say them aloud, record yourself, and repeat. This kind of practice builds automatic usage. A daily 15-minute verb practice plan. Here's a simple plan you can follow. 1. Listen for 5 minutes. Watch a short video or podcast. Focus on verbs. 2. Write for 5 minutes. Note down 5 useful sentences with those verbs. 3. Speak for 5 minutes. Say the sentences aloud. Record yourself. Repeat. In just 15 minutes a day, you can make these verbs part of your natural speaking. Common mistakes learners make. 1. Overusing formal verbs. Don't say, I consumed lunch. Say, I ate lunch. 2. Mixing up do and make. Remember, do is for tasks, make is for creating. Do homework, do the laundry. Make a cake, make a plan. 3. Ignoring phrasal verbs. Many real verbs appear in phrasal forms. Get up, put off, turn on, give up. These are essential for sounding natural. Why real verbs make you sound natural? The difference between sounding like a learner and sounding fluent often comes down to verbs. Learner: I commenced my studies at university. Native: I started studying at university. Both are correct. One sounds overly formal, the other sounds natural. When you use real verbs, people understand you more easily, and your English feels smoother and more authentic. Conclusion. So let's review. Verbs are the backbone of English communication. Textbooks sometimes teach verbs that are correct but unnatural. Real spoken English uses verbs like get, take, make, do, go, come, put, give, keep, let, run, turn. To master them, practice daily in listening, writing, and speaking. If you follow this, your English will sound more natural, fluent, and confident. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of Simple English Learning. If you found it useful, please like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more lessons. And let me know in the comments, which of these verbs do you use most often, and which one do you want to practice more? Until next time, remember, learn smart, practice daily, and speak confidently.